The urge to send and receive money right now is a major topic amongst finance specialists. And when we talk of sending and receiving of money, money transfer apps always come to play, with the likes of PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, Cash App, and many more. And this has now made sending and receiving of money a very simple thing. Well, today we will be looking at an important aspect about sending and receiving of money in. Does PayPal work internationally? And we'll be giving you what you should know about that. Actually, yes. PayPal operates internationally and is available in many countries around the world, though not all countries. And PayPal users who send money internationally tend to enjoy some amazing PayPal features like currency conversion, sending money, receiving payments, money withdrawals, and many other features. However, even with amazing features come some few limitations like 1. Not all features available in the US may be available in other countries. 2. Some countries may have restrictions on sending or receiving funds. Well, this is what we will be bringing to you today about PayPal and international transfers. And if this was helpful to you, don't forget to give us a like, share this video, and then subscribe for more videos like this one.